Microsoft Excel 2016 Level 1 is beginner's course of creating and working with spreadsheets using Microsoft Excel 2016 program. This course has little or no knowledge of spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel 2016. However, it is expected that you have a general understanding of personal computers and operating system environment. You will learn many things in this course, like navigation in Excel 2016, working with workbook, understanding worksheets, working with formulas and functions, printing your data, creating beautiful charts, etc. We have divided this course in 20 modules so that you can go through this course very systematically and master your Excel skills. So let's start our learning of Excel 2016.